Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable profile transfers on Netflix. Okay, so first of all we have to open the netflix.com website in our browser, and next we have to go for right side, right upper corner, and go for account. Next we have to scroll down and find this option in the settings. Turn on profile transfers. As you can see, in my case, this option is turned off, so I can turn it on. And then click allow. Here you can also find the description. And right now we can continue to the Netflix. We are back on the main settings, main site. And when you scroll down, you can also find turn off profile transfers. So you can decide how to do this. And that's all basically for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.